Tonight my strength is low, and these tears won't stop falling. I've carried so much for so long, now my soul is calling. I've smiled through the pressure, held everybody together, but underneath the surface, I'm barely holding on. So I'm coming just as I am. No pretending, no disguise. I need the comfort of your presence to quiet my mind tonight. Hold me together, please bring me peace. Speak softly to the storm raging inside of me. Lay your hands on my heart, help these anxious thoughts release. Jesus, stay close tonight and let my weary soul breathe. And let my weary soul breathe. Sometimes I feel forgotten, lost inside responsibility, pouring out to everybody else with nothing left in me. But you said the weary can come and find rest in you. So here I am with open hands, Lord, I need you to come through, because these burdens have been heavy and this season's been so long. But somehow when you hold me, I remember I'm still strong. Hold me together, please bring me peace. Be the calm inside the chaos, be my safety when I weep. Wrap your love around this house, let your presence cover me. Jesus, Jesus, stay close tonight and let my weary soul breathe. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted. Psalm 34. Jesus, slow my thoughts down, quit every fear now. Remind me I don't have to carry tomorrow tonight. You are here, you are near, you are holding me together. You are here, you are near, you are holding me together. You should pray, carry me, Lord. Carry me, Lord, when I don't have words to pray. Still let heaven hear me. Hold my mind together, hold my heart together, hold this house together. Jesus, please stay near to me, so I will rest here, safe inside your presence. And if I cry tonight, let it heal me, because you